Yeah, so this is a collaboration between myself and another artist, Michael Eng. We made it at a 2-day hackathon originally in Berlin, Germany. And we were thinking about how to recycle components, make them interactive, make them playable. And the first version actually didn't have a screen, it was just the components. So we noticed that printers, the way that they move is the same mechanism as an arcade game, as a back and forth motion of a ship. And so we thought that would be really interesting to try to connect that to an arcade controller, like a joystick. And then we tried to kind of make everything as analog as possible. So we connected old computer parts like a fan and the joystick to the system to make it feel less digital, more physical. And then over time it kind of changed into the idea of why don't we try to make a game out of it as well. And so we wrote software that would then mimic the game using the old parts. So you still get the feeling of the physicality, but you get the digital aspect as well, which is the game.
So I think of one word, and I'm curious, maybe I'll just pick it out of the air. Is there a word that you could use to describe this project?
Yeah, it's sort of like nostalgic hacking or something. I don't have one word, but maybe like, I don't know, playable reality. The virtual reality is like so physical reality.
I pulled whimsical out of the air, but
I like whimsical
playable
too.
Nostalgia is good too.
Yeah.
So tell us your name and the name of the project and your role in it.
Okay, my name is Jonah Brucker Cohen. The project, this version of it is called PrintCade Invaders.